Hey everyone, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team. In this video, I will show you how you can set up instant commissions inside your Builderall Funnel Club affiliate dashboard. That's right, in order to take advantage of instant commissions, you have to have an active Builderall Funnel Club account. So what is instant commissions? Instant commissions is a quick and easy way to grab hold of any commissions earned from every direct sale you make when promoting the Builderall Funnel Club. This means no more having to wait to get paid commissions or having to pay any Builderall fees. Instead, your direct first full payment goes directly to your PayPal account, and that means you can grab hold of your commissions immediately upon receipt of payment. So to get started, let's hop over to the Builderall Funnel Club affiliate dashboard by going up to the very top here and clicking on the affiliates link. Now this is my training account and this is my Builderall Funnel Club affiliate dashboard. So right here you're going to have a link that says instant commissions. Now before we click on this link, I want to show you the one funnel that is applicable to earning instant commissions. Okay, and how to find that is right below Funnel Club. You're going to have Builderall Premium Funnels. When you click here, you're going to be greeted probably by a pop-up suggesting or recommending that you connect a domain. And I highly suggest and recommend that you do that because your links are going to look more professional and more appealing and more trustworthy to your clients. So right down here, you have Funnel Club Builderall 4.0. This is the actual affiliate link that you'll be using to promote and earning instant commissions. Okay, this is the link right here. All right, so to get started, all you have to do is hop over to Instant Commissions, click on this link here, and now the only payment gateway available now is PayPal, with more to come. Okay, so in order to set up your PayPal account, you could just click right here and then just go in and enter the email associated and affiliated with your PayPal account and then click save. And that's it. You're all set. All you have to do now is just start promoting your affiliate link. Let's go ahead and click here. And let's go to incognito. All right, so now your clients, your prospects will land right here. And if they want to opt into the Builderall Funnel Club, what they're going to do is you're going to create an account, right? So let's go ahead and type in Jane Doe. And when they click on this link, it is then going to take them to a presentation where they can learn more about the actual Funnel Club. And here they get greeted by Marshall's video presentation on the Funnel Club. And if they decide to opt in, all they have to do is click right here and it's going to take them to the payment checkout. So here they'll see the form of payment, which is your PayPal account. Now, once your customer, your client, your prospect makes a payment of $199, it will instantly go directly into your PayPal account. And that is how you go in and set up instant commissions using your Builderall Funnel Club affiliate dashboard. I hope you found the content in this video helpful. Until next time, I'm Frank Jimenez with the Builderall team.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.